Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to make a website on Hostinger in 5 minutes. So first enter your brand name here. So for example I will write tutorials for example, and here for the description let's make this is a tutorial based channel like that, something like that, and then here click on create website. After that, just wait for the AI to create the websites. So here you will have this page right here who will tell you to continue to edit the style. So you can choose the color palettes here. For example, if you want it to be blue, more red, green, etc. So you will have a lot of options. So let's just continue. Here you will have everything that you need. So if you have worked previously with WordPress or with Joomla or any other website creator or Wix even, you will find that these are the very similar templates that you will find in other websites. So if you use, for example, Wix, you will find this tab right here with the styles, with the elements, with the pages, etc. Same thing for WordPress. So for example, here let's add a sticky bar. So you will add your promotional text. For example, let's say you want to write, for example, new drop coming soon, something like that. You will write everything that you want here. You can also change the name of the brand or the disposition of it. So for example, here if I click edit header, you can also change the way buttons are placed. So here you will have a lot of options. Personally, I prefer the buttons to be in the middle. And here you will have also other options like element spacing to make the elements a bit more spaced, the link spacing, the top and bottom spacing, as you can see here, right? If you want to make it a bit smaller, you can make it like that. Right here for the elements, you will find in the elements show logo. So this is the logo that we're talking about. We can disable it so we will not see it again. You can show the social icons. So here, of course, you can edit it too if you want. You can add Facebook, Instagram, etc. And here to show buttons. So here, this button, for example, will be a contact us page or support page or anything like that. You can edit it to redirect you to whatever you want in the site, right? So here, if I scroll down a little bit, you will find this first section. So here you can put a video, you can edit it. So here, for example, it's a video that's repeating, it's a GIF, I think. So you can replace it. You can also add an image. You can also add a color. You will find a lot of options here, right? You can also increase the overlay opacity like that. If I go here to the layout, I can also change the row height, the row gap. If I go to anchor, I can change the anchor name. So if I click on this, if I put a link here, if I click on it on the website, it will redirect me to another page. Okay, here you can change the text for the header. Here you can change also the text for the description, and here you can change the text for the button and make it do a certain action that you want. Okay, here you can also add some other text or anything that you want, really. This is the first version that has been made with the AI, but you can customize it fully as you want. Now, if I scroll down a bit, you will find the links to the posts, right? So here, if it's a blog post or anything, you can also edit it. So here, let's just click on edit blog list here. I can increase or decrease the posts per page. You can also add the columns. For example, here, if I want to make a big column gap, etc., it's better if I keep it to the original, so 2 columns only. And here I can change the padding, top, bottom, etc., the style. If I want it to be light, if I want it to be dark, the text size. There are a lot of things that you can manipulate here. For the post too, you can also show only some posts. For the background, you can also change it. You can add an image, a video, whatever you want, really. Let's add a video here, for example. Here also you will find another section, so this will be repetitive. Okay, you will find a section, then another section, etc. So here let's, for example, take this section that will include a title here and then a description, and then, for example, some statistics about the website or the brand or anything. Here you will find the image, and for the tutorial gallery, it's just a gallery. Okay, really, there are a lot of things that you can do in this Hostinger website builder. Okay, here for the AI tools, you can generate blogs, you can generate posts, you can generate images, etc. Really a lot of things. In the pages here, you can go and between the home, the blog, the tutorial page, etc. Here I can add elements like text, button, add to bag, video, gallery, image, etc. I can also add some code if I want to add some CSS, JavaScript, etc. I can also add some contact forms in the contact us page. Okay. Also here in the styles, you can use new styles like here in the fonts, buttons, animations, for the colors too. You can add a lot of things. And here for the store, if you have a store, you can add it and personalize it as you want. And yeah, that's it basically. I have made the whole thing about the website builder on Hostinger. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.